Hi, so just going to do a review on this new smoke leak detector that I've just purchased. So just to show you what the box comes in. So it was quite a lot smaller, to be honest, than what I was expecting. So, and it is very light, as you can see here. You can easily just pick this up, so there's that much weight to it at all. So I'm going to get it unboxed and let's just see what else it comes with. So I've opened the box. It comes well packed as well, as you can see. They're nice and tight, so I'm guessing these are going to be the accessories. And this is the unit itself. There's a few variations of this if you have a look. And this is off Amazon, but I know they sell them on eBay, and this number here changes depending on how much pressure this device can make. So there's a few variants out there, so just make sure you read exactly what you're getting with the one that you're buying. As you can see now, I've took it out of the box. Like I say, I'm really happy with the size of this and how much it weighs. Like I say, it's not very heavy, so you don't want to be lugging some big heavy machine about, and especially something really big. So just to show you the size of the actual unit, as you see, compared to my hand, like you say, ideal for us moving around. Like I say, this is very light, so perfect for moving it around. Accessory box. Have a look. So inside, what we've got some different accessories. So I'll get them all out, I'll lay them all down, and then we can see exactly what's in here. So as you can see here, I've got all the accessories out that come with the smoke machine, and also I've had a good read through these instructions. So it does come with all the instructions for each model, so make sure you're reading each one. So this is the T105, and as you can see, if you just go to the next one, it does go on to the next device. So this is the smoke machine that we have, or I have purchased, I should say. And as you can see, just reading through it, just talk about how you can use it, how to build it up. Like I say, it says some important information, like put 10 milligrams of fluid or test oil. So I've got baby oil, that's what it said to use. So, and then talk through it, it talks about what you get. And so these were the parts. So power cable, so these are pretty nice. You just connect these onto the battery. Nice clips them, to be fair. Feel quite well made. Obviously power lead then plugs into there. Next thing is our smoke hose. So nice smoke hose. That goes into the back of the smoke machine. So it just comes onto there. And nice metal end here, you see. So a good, feels like a good quality pipe too. Standard cone adapter, so obviously this is this one, so again useful for locking up intakes or exhausts or anything that goes into, and as you can see, just goes straight through, so the smoke will go into that hole and it will come out of that one. Your VAP testing pipe, so it's a special VAP testing pipe, so this is just the pipe on the end, so I guess you can just push it onto whatever you want. Or there's a screw side that side as well, thread, so you've got something you want it to thread into. Valve core wrench, pretty standard, I'm sure everybody tried would have seen one of these before. Universal airbag adapter, so this is really useful as well because this can make a world of difference. So when you use this, obviously, this you've got to make sure it twists, so that's open, so screw it locked, pump it up, and obviously, as you can see there, it starts to expand, so it can go quite large. Then just put smoke in this side, and it'll come out of here. And when you finish, just deflate it. So, good piece of equipment, very handy. Then we just got some rubber core parts connectors. So this one just has a, as you can see, it just has the, it's just a piece of rubber. And the last one then are just some blanking out ones. So these are really good again, so you can blank bits of the airbox off, or wherever you're testing, where you might need to blank off crankcase breathers, exhausts. It could be anything really. As you see, there's just pieces of rubber, that circle you use to blank off. And the last bit is just where we put our oil. So obviously you can just see here, so you fill this up, so you just know exactly 10 mil. So I'll get this set up now and we'll see how much smoke comes out and see what happens. So I have set this up, so I put the fluid in here, and I did put it just up to 90. And it's pretty handy because it just, when you put it upside down, you can just see exactly where it is. So you can see if you put from 30, you put it down to 40, that'd be 10. So you do just unscrew this, put the fluid in there. This hose is plugged in where we said it was, around the back. As you can see there, plugged in, and then let's say I've just used a drum pack just to get this, give this a little test. So now we just have two modes, so air mode. I've been doing it with smoke mode, so I'm guessing air mode. I'm guessing you're always going to have it on smoke mode, ain't you? And as you can see, it does start to bellow out quite a lot of smoke. Like I say, it really chucks it out. There's plenty of smoke, as you can see, generated there. So if you just want to see how much this creates, as you can see, it's quite a lot. So good machine, should be able to find your leak if you got one. With this, I would have thought quite easily. So I hope this is useful to anybody that's looking to purchase one of these. One thing to mention though is this pressure always goes up, so you cover this. See, it does go up. So if you are testing to it, just make sure you don't blow off whatever it is that you're testing if it's going to exceed the limits. So just be careful. Like I say, if it's quite extreme, put your thumb over it compared to what you'll be testing. So just keep an eye on what the pressures are, that you don't blow something off completely. So I'm going to finish it here. I hope you find it useful. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up.